Hi crypto fans, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at bitFlyer. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and so much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. bitFlyer is a globally licensed cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2014 and is Japan's leading Bitcoin exchange by trading volume. It is one of the only crypto exchanges that are authorized to offer trading services in the United States, and for the last 7 years, this exchange has been 100% hack-proof. bitFlyer stores all your cryptocurrencies in offline cold storage, and this exchange is trusted by more than 3 million users worldwide. By joining bitFlyer, you can start building your cryptocurrency portfolio with as little as €1. This exchange offers a great selection of major cryptocurrencies, and you can easily automate your trades by joining bitFlyer. This exchange offers tight spreads and zero-fee trading on popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and the Polkadot token. Businesses can open a corporate account, and individual clients can open either a standard account or a Trade Pro account. The standard account can be used to view the layout and features of the Lightning exchange, but cannot be used to trade or make deposits and withdrawals. Once you are ready to trade, you can easily upgrade to a Trade Pro account, which will give you full access to all of bitFlyer's products and features. With this exchange, you can set up recurring buys to automatically buy cryptocurrencies every day, every week, or every month. Lightning has API functionality, and you can choose from more than 20 advanced order types that you can use to refine and improve your trading strategies. Automating your trades is a great way to mitigate financial risks by ensuring that trading activity remains constant, and could even be used as a way to avoid buying crypto on impulse decisions. No additional fees are charged to use bitFlyer's recurring buy feature, and you can start automating your trades with as little as €10. As a bitFlyer client, you will have access to Lightning, which is bitFlyer's proprietary cryptocurrency exchange platform for professional trading. In the top left corner of the dashboard, you will find the menu button. By clicking on this button, you can access trade reports, leaderboards, chat rooms, and more. The interface of this platform is user-friendly, and you can easily join the bitFlyer community chat room or manage your orders directly from the dashboard. You can also view your trading history and make deposits into your account directly from the exchange. If you would like to try out the Lightning exchange before depositing any funds, you can use a demo version to see what tools and features are available to you. Once you've joined bitFlyer, you will be given a unique referral code that your friends, family, and followers can use when they join. If they create an account using your link and deposit at least €100 into their accounts, both you and your referrals will be rewarded with free Bitcoin. The referral program is only available on bitFlyer's Trade Pro account, and corporate accounts are not eligible for referral bonuses. In addition to offering an intuitive trading interface and referral bonuses, bitFlyer also has a blockchain lab that is used for the research and development of blockchain technologies. One of bitFlyer's most popular blockchain tools is known as ChainFlyer, which is a Bitcoin blockchain explorer that can be used to view Bitcoin transactions in real time with animated visuals that makes it easier to understand and follow. They also provide detailed price charts for all the cryptocurrencies offered, and you can access these charts by scrolling down to the menus at the bottom of the homepage. If you would like to join bitFlyer's community and interact with other investors and crypto enthusiasts, you can find links to their social media pages at the bottom of the homepage, and you can also join their public chat rooms. You can easily create an account with bitFlyer in a few simple steps. Firstly, launch the bitFlyer homepage, and then click on the Create an Account button. Enter your email address and choose a strong password for your account. If a friend referred you, be sure to enter the referral code in the designated field provided, and then verify your email address and account, and don't forget to submit any necessary documentation. Opening an account with bitFlyer is 100% free and only takes around 5 minutes. Once your bitFlyer account is verified and approved, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Before you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies on bitFlyer, you will need to connect your digital wallet to your bitFlyer account and choose your preferred funding method. bitFlyer currently accepts only PayPal deposits and bank transfers. Transaction fees are incredibly low on this exchange, and no deposit fees are charged when funding your account. For more convenience, you can easily link your bank account to your bitFlyer account, which will allow you to make withdrawals directly to your preferred bank account. To see bitFlyer's detailed fee structure, either click on the Fees tab or visit the FAQ section. Buying and selling crypto on the bitFlyer exchange is easy. All you need to do is register and verify your account, fund it, and open the exchange dashboard. Once you have access to the exchange, choose a trading pair, set your parameters, and click on Buy or Sell to confirm your trade. If you require assistance with managing your account, setting up recurring buys for your portfolio, or buying and selling cryptocurrencies, click on the Support tab, or log into your account and head over to the FAQ page. We would also recommend bookmarking bitFlyer's glossary so that you can familiarize yourself with important terminology, or reference back to it when you come across new words. If you can't find the answers you're looking for on the FAQ page, you can submit a web ticket and leave your contact details so that bitFlyer's support team can get back to you. So what do we like about bitFlyer? bitFlyer is a popular Bitcoin exchange in Japan and worldwide. It has been hack-proof for the last 7 years, making it one of the safest crypto exchanges to trade on. If you are new to trading, you will find dozens of helpful articles on this website, and you can buy crypto with as little as €1. So the risks are low with bitFlyer. bitFlyer's Lightning exchange is designed for professional level trading, but with some practice, anyone can use it. There is no limit to the number of people who can join using your referral code, so why not invite some of your friends and family to join bitFlyer and earn some free Bitcoin? If you are interested, be sure to open your bitFlyer account today to get access to fantastic referral rewards, lower fees, a great trading platform, and a large online community that could help you get a head start on your crypto trading career. And that is our overview of bitFlyer. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.